Hello students, I am Prabdeep Singh, your political science teacher, and today we will revise one of very important topic of your class plus 2. We already have discussed this topic in the online class. The topic is Ram Manohar Lohia. This topic CBSE has added this year only, and very few notes we have only in the CBSE reference notes we have. From that we can do this, or you can also see on the internet. You will get a lot of information about the Ram Manohar Lohia. Today in short I will explain you about this person. Students, if I talk about the birth date of Ram Manohar Lohia, that was 23rd March 1910, and the death date of this person was 12th October 1967. Student, this person has a very important role in the Indian political system, especially at the time of independence movement. He was an activist of that time, a great activist. You can say that he was a socialist political leader who followed the socialism. He was the founder of CSP full form Congress Socialist Party. Students, I will try to explain this topic little bit fast, so that within few minutes I will explain all the full topic. If I talk about the ideology of this person believed in democratic socialism. This word was introduced by this person, democratic socialism. It means that socialism with democracy, because this person feels that capitalism and socialism both are equally irrelevant to a democratic country like India. According to him, if we want to improve develop the India properly, then we have to follow socialism with democracy. We have to add some of the features of the socialism in the democratic system. As you can see here in the third point, both capitalism and socialism are irrelevant from the Indian society. If I talk about the principle of democratic socialism, which was introduced by this person, economic objective, he has mentioned two main objective of this democratic socialism. First one, economic objective of food and housing, means this is the duty of the government to provide these things to the people in the democracy. Second one, non-economic objective in form of democracy and freedom. He advocate Chobujha Rajniti, in which he described 4 pillars of politics as well as socialism. You can see here, according to him, the whole government is divided into 4 parts: center, state, district and village, and all are linked to each other, and give some special attention to affirmative actions. This term is very important. It has a maximum chance this term will definitely come in your exam. The meaning of affirmative action, it means that to give special attention to women and the poor people in the system. Clear? The backward people sorry, women, non-religion minorities. Gives according to him, we are giving some attention to the minority people but we should include the women also to develop the nation, because in every economy 50% of the population is belong to the women, so we should take care about this thing. He supported the party of socialism as well as attempt to merging all political party. According to him, we have to merge all the political party, as this is the common feature of the socialism. We should adopt this system in the democracy. Then he explained about the three pillars of this system, democratic socialism system. First one, SPADE, it means prepared to make efforts. Second one, vote, power of voting. Third one, present, willingness to make sacrifice. These 3 points are very important. This is also very important question. The main 3 pillars of this system, which was introduced by the Ram Manohar Lohia. Yes students, this is your topic. You have to go through this topic according to your CBSE reference notes. Only these things are mentioned in that. If you want to go for more information, you can search Ram Manohar Lohia topic from the internet and read little bit more. Thank you.